Hello, everyone. My name is Ayushi, and I've been working at Microsoft for over 8 years now. Welcome to my channel, Intuition to Code, where we'll simplify coding interviews and help you master the ABCs of cracking any engineering interviews, from intuition to getting accepted. So, multiple folks ask me, how do you know which data structure or logic to apply the moment you see a problem? So, firstly, in interviews, you usually have 30 minutes to an hour. That's not a lot of time. You need to be calm, confident, and quick. Problems often look fancy because of unnecessary English words and real world scenarios. If you panic at this point, you lose. So, the first step is simplification. Take a pen and paper, remove all the extra words that don't affect the logic. Replace verbose descriptions with booleans or numbers. Like, for example, if a problem talks about, say, land and water, so replace land with 1 and water with 0. This will simplify the problem a lot. Convert the real world scenario into a known logical structure. And this step is very critical because once you strip all the unused words, right, the problem becomes very easier to map to a known pattern. The fancy words is designed to confuse you. Do not get demotivated. That's the point where most candidates fails. Be calm, simplify, and trust your preparation. Have confidence. So every data structure has some known patterns. Like for example, we have sliding window for arrays, two pointers for strings, BFS DFS for graphs, heaps for scheduling. So if you practice these patterns and note common test cases, you'll be able to decode problems faster. List the top 10 to 15 data structures which are mostly used in interviews. For each one of them, learn the logics behind common patterns, solve a few problems, and note down common test cases. This is what I'll help you achieve in this and upcoming videos. So, in this videos, I did not really want to jump into specific problems. I wanted to first share the basics of preparation. That is, simplify, identify patterns, and stay confident. In the upcoming videos, we will break down these patterns one by one and will make you interview ready. So, subscribe to Crack the Code DSA and let's crack those interviews together. Like, share, and subscribe.